Har Mahadev, Jai Bhavani, Jai Hind, Namaskar. Welcome back to another episode of Industry Talks with BC Anand, the show of hopes. Today we have with us the man who inspires not me, but millions out there. The man whose struggles are a real story and the success are the real zenith of it. The zeal of his story comes from the great support to the LGBTQIA community and his great passion towards art and culture. I have with me and we have with us Mr. Akash K. Agrawal, celebrity accessory designer and LGBTQIA right activist. Welcome, Akash. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Such a warm and like a macho introduction. Thank you so much, Anand.
My pleasure. BCA, as I earlier told you, BCA Foundation ambassadors are pretty excited to be here. I am often not nervous. I have a certain experience, but this time, I can feel the butterflies. But I remember you told me once, Anand, don't let the butterflies stay the butterflies. Convert, let them become dragons. So, my dragons are just jumping around to get your interview done. And our audience is privileged to have you. Yeah, please.
No, those dragons should be within us always. I believe that they are within me every time I am doing something new. I'm coming and talking to everybody every time. I feel like, okay, and that excitement and those butterflies and dragons actually make us live every day a fresh start. नहीं तो कितनी boring हो जाए life.
True. Or your story should reach everybody. I personally feel because you are not just another man who has a story, but a man who has a story from everybody's story is your story. I personally feel. So, as you know, this the pattern of the show. You already know we are having some questions for you. We'll share those questions, and you will share back the answers. But these questions are going to be supported by a cause. First cause is that we are requesting our audience to donate for the floods relief of Bihar, Assam, and some other parts of the country. And also, we have taken an initiative from the previous episode of ours that we are emphasizing more on cyber bullies, that how our celebrity guests, how our industry experts face those bullies. So that is why we have some questions related to the bullies or cyber bullies and how do you face them, and our audience should go through them. So now starting up with the very first question, the interview session is all about these things, but the major thing comes up that you are an accessory designer, a product designer who is very much enrooted to the culture of the nation, and the heritage of the nation could be seen in your collections because I have been in touch with your collection for a long time. So, what do you think is your inspiration for this whole work you do?
Yeah, my inspiration is my life journey. My inspiration is my life experiences. And my inspiration is my बचपन से सीखी हुई चीजें, and this is what I'm introduced to the the heritage side of India. I'm born in Delhi से चांदनी चौक, बचपन से लाल किला, जामा मस्जिद, और बचपन से झरोके, छज्जे, और all those. I have lived in those structures. I've lived in the heritage Haveli in my life. So somewhere I was very much connected to the Indian heritage, and I was also very much connected to the impact of the variety it has. You don't feel bored about it. आप हल्का सा दिल्ली से एनसीआर तक पहुंच चुके, वो स्ट्रक्चर चेंज हो जाता है, और भी दूर नहीं जाना. मतलब so the heritage, the fabrics, the tradition, the culture, India is so diverse that and हमको डिजाइनर्स को हर बार नई कलेक्शन चाहिए, तो हमें तो हर नए देश में भी नहीं जाना, सिर्फ हर एक नए मोहल्ले में पहुंच जाए हम भारत के, तो ही हमें इतना कुछ सीखने को और समझने को मिल जाए जिससे हम एक कलेक्शन बना सके. So my country has been very much influenced my life and also my designing.
True. यहाँ पे तो कहते हैं कि कोस कोस पे भाषा बदल जाती है और डेग डेग पर पानी बदल जाता है, हमारी भाषा में अगर कहें तो बिल्कुल ये वही कल्चर है, द मिस्टिकल लैंड, द ग्रेट लैंड Bharat Mata, we say, you know, others, I don't know about other lands, but this land holds a soul. And that is why you, people like you and I are doing something. I mean, I shouldn't be comparing myself with you. You are here and I'm not even, you know, started, I must say. But
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Not so.
since the moment I came to know about you, I have been in touch with you, and you know, very much in touch with you, inspired by you. Because I tell you, before this, I knew you. My perception towards the society changed as well. I learned and enhanced the vision that how to look towards everything with kindness. You have that down to earth nature, and that is the best part I feel you have. So you know, thank you for accepting the invitation first. uh,
Thank
the next question comes to my mind is that there are a lot of kids out there, especially the ones who are into colleges and who wish to become some an accessory designer, a product designer, and they have certain zeal to develop that product. So what do you suggest, how to start their journey?
There are two ways to answer you this. I can also limit and say that I would like to talk about accessories, but designing itself or art as an inspiration itself can take you to multiple sides. And, because I was always interested in arts, as I told you about the heritage or the drawings, I मुझे किसी और सब्जेक्ट में A plus मिले ना मिले, I need to have A plus in my arts. So that how those colors used to fascinate me, and somehow understanding the art can help you understand the design and the principles of design of be it of any accessories, fashion, product, it be any kind of stream of fashion, the principles remain same. So even while you want to be an accessory designer, or if you want to be a product designer, if you want to be a fashion designer, the principle of design because stays same, your aesthetics of understanding any stream of fashion would be very much uh, same. So there are some people who get restricted and say, okay, because I've learned jewelry, I will not do anything else. But in my fashion shows, the shows I do, I design my own clothes. I get my own clothes manufactured. I keep a check on what kind of heels will my models wear, what kind of a hair and look would it be. The whole frame. You cannot just design the jewelry, and if you do not have a vision, your vision mood board has to be clear that this is how the model gonna look, this is how my client's gonna look, this is how my jewelry is going to look on what combination, so everything
Yeah.
you have to know. Okay, fine, you've learned one stream, you've learned jewelry designing, but the knowledge of design, the knowledge of the whole look has to be taken so deeply so that you can give out a complete package, and that is what is the demand now. The
Yeah.
whole industry, we have many designers like Sabyasachi who used to do just clothes, is now doing jewelry, is now doing shoes, is now doing bags. So is Manish Malhotra, so is Rohit Bal, so is Ritu Kumar. Why? Because with time they also realize that the market is huge.
Huge.
So why do we limit ourselves to just sell what we are selling? And we can obviously as designers can multiple options altogether. So to all those young kids who want to do anything in the stream of design, they have to understand that the principle of design is what they have to really understand well, and then the idea of understanding your surrounding around you. You have to be very realistically, what should I say, like you have to be very realistically perspective. You have to have a perspective to everything. You have to have a awareness about things around you, because anything can influence you, and any कई बार एक पेड़ की शाखा आपको एक गले का हार बनाना तक लेके जा सकती है.
Very true. जी बिल्कुल.
When I go to, because of these lockdowns now, the only way you go out of your house is going morning walks. Now when I go to morning walks and I see the color combinations nature has given us, कि green के साथ multiple shades of green है और उसमें कुछ yellow है, and all of these every morning inspire me, and I say, oh wow, what a color combination. So understanding and knowing your environment, and understanding the principle of design are two very important for anybody who wants to go out in any design stream.
Yeah, that if somebody has the interest in illustration and in this field he or she wants to go up, he she should be taking these things seriously, whatever, and should keep on enhancing uh, the art they hold. Even if they are not good at illustration, they can practice, practice, and practice, and finally get into the action when the time says.
But what is not good? Anant, the idea is that we actually live in time where everything is good. It's about how you packaging it. It's about how are you delivering what is expected of you. You now we are not even talking about a certain figure. If you don't know how to draw a figure which is curvaceous, you can just draw a straight costume also, because now we are talking about every shape and body. So now you should know what you're designing. And if those are not falling upon to so-called aesthetics, like I was very rebellious. I'm telling you, in my designing time also, my teachers had issues. In school, my teachers had issues because I was the one जिसको बहुत सवाल पूछने होते थे. And I was never perfect according to my teachers. But was I perfect according to me, or was my knowledge to what I know is perfect or not matters? So as long as you're doing what you know is what you're doing is good enough for you.
Very true. And if you can't revolt, you can't create a revolution, and you cannot make a change. Before making any
Absolutely.
change, you have to first incorporate those changes within you, as this culture has always been teaching us.
Absolutely. I might just extend and tell you one incident what happened. So my final year jewelry. So I learned jewelry designing for 3 years, and my final examination piece was that we had to craft the whole neck piece. वो टाका लगाते थे हम, वो सब कुछ तार खींचते थे. We used to do all of that. Now somehow that final piece was not getting executed as the faculty wanted it, and I was asked to reappear in an exam because I was unable to produce the product piece according to how my faculty wanted. But the idea is that we have to stop making kids believe that these are the standards for you to pass only which way. I told my teacher that टाका लग गया ना उसमें, तार खिंच गया ना उसमें, stone जड़ गया ना उसमें. Have I learned the techniques? Yes. Am I unable to achieve the complete neck piece? Yes. But what is important is to learn the technique, or we have to every day sit and we are going to self-make the pieces? No. So the rigid system in any stream, even in the designing, even in teaching, the designing has to stop. And I took a stand. I said, you cannot ask me to reappear, because जितना भी मैंने किया है technologically वो सही है. And okay, I've not achieved to a certain expectations of yours, mark me accordingly, but I'm not going to reappear it because you think I'm not good. So इसको आप rebellious कहें, इसको आप opinionated कहें, इसको आप awareness कहें, आप कुछ भी कह सकते हैं, but you have to believe that even the faculty can be wrong and you can be right. And यही तो जो नया education system जो अभी 4 दिन पहले हमारे साथ आ रहा है, it is now going to ये जो so called stereotype ways of judging kids on their capabilities था, वो सब बदलने वाला है. And I congratulate to the government for doing that.
True.
So,
I was coming to this.
yeah.
So yes, you have to stand for yourself. The people listening to both of us must understand that you stood somewhere earlier in your life, and now even I did, and that is why we are doing what we are.
And every day we have to stand.
Yes, every day. True, very true. Life never lets you settle down.
Yeah, it's not. उसके variations बदल सकते हैं. आज इतना, आज छलांग मारनी है, आज कुछ नहीं करना, आज आराम करना है. Every day, but you have to every day. You never know. चाहे वो कारीगर के सामने stand करना हो, production में stand करना हो, because half of the time आप पढ़ के निकलते हैं designing institute से और आपको बोला जाता है market में ऐसे नहीं होता, ये सब तुम्हारे पढ़ाई में होता था. People in the production challenge you and say ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, right? But then you have to be rebellious and tell them कि ये ऐसे हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
So you have to stand, and that standing and being strong will only happen once your basics are completely you're aware of.
Right. Coming to the next question, Subhashini ornamentals. You know, Shubhashini, when I listen, the name of Bhavani comes to my mind, and I have Bhavani's picture here, you know, left to me. And every time I am in problem, I look at up to her. So, what led Shubhashini Ornamentals become Shubhashini Ornamentals, and why did you choose to be a an accessory designer only?
My mother's name is Subhashini, and that is why it is Subhashini Ornamentals. Uh, it is a little story. It is inspired from Sushmita actually, because Sushmita had a jewelry brand. Sushmita said,
Yeah, yeah.
my life has been inspired by her. So she what she did that she made a brand called Rene Ornaments.
Mhm.
I got inspired, and because I don't have a daughter, I used my mother's name. I said, okay, my mom's name comes as Subhashini, and I used ornamentals from inspired from the word in ornament. So it is absolutely inspired from someone I looked up, and it's been a blessing. My mom's name has been a blessing to me in my life. Initially, it was quite a issue for people to read this much bada name, and I'm talking about कुछ 10 साल पुरानी बात है ना, उस जमाने में एक अंग्रेजियत का कीड़ा था. सिर्फ
Exactly.
अंग्रेजी बोलना, सिर्फ अंग्रेजी बोलना और अपने आप को दिखाना कि हम हिंदी के शब्द नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, तहजीब का हिस्सा था. So for to them to speak इतना बड़ा हिंदी शब्द was quite a issue. But I was like, yes, this is my mother's name, and I'm going to stand above. I loved the name, and I used it. That's how the name came. Your other question was?
How? Why did you choose to become an accessory designer?
I never chose it. So my father chose it for me.
Okay.
My father, so it's a very silly thing, but I always say just as such hai ki my father used to love buying diamonds, huh? So he said, because I like buying diamonds, why don't you go and learn it? And I come from a very banya middle class family, which says earning money is what banyas are believed in. And okay, I'm not judging them, but I was like, but this Akash was not that stereotype person. ना वो ऐसा stereotype बनिया था, ना वो stereotype लड़का है, वो कुछ stereotype जैसा था नहीं मेरा. I said, okay, the same institute was teaching designing.
Mhm.
So I did one course of diamond grading, which made my father happy. I did one course of basic designing, which made me happy. And this is how I balanced all my life. I'm very rebellious, I'm very opinionated, but I also balance it, you know. So that is how I was like, okay, and this is how whole accessory designing world got open to me. And I'm talking to you about some 12 साल पहले की बात. तो उस जमाने में तो पता भी नहीं था कि this would be the future of
Future
accessory design in
accessory.
India.
But here it is, you know. And as you said, ki 10 years ago, एक अंग्रेजियत थी. We used to have that ki if you are English speaking person, you have certain personality. And 9 years ago, almost, I started, an initiative. I took an initiative that अब हिंदी को फिर से reestablish करना है. I am a poet for last 9 years and counting, and I do poetry in Shuddh Hindi. So people often call कि ये शब्द का मतलब क्या होता है, but now this has come, and I tell you one good thing, not exaggerating my achievements, but I when I was in boards, I was the district topper of Hindi in boards, and I was given a scholarship by the local authorities here. And as you said, inspiration, my foundation, BCA Foundation, I always say BCA Foundation is my daughter. It's been 11 years and almost 9 months now, and I see BCA Foundation as a daughter and respect BCA as my mother. It's a part of my life. Every day I wake up, I have a old logo, 7 8 year old logo I drew using ink pen, and I see, I have to make it. We have to do it together. And BCA, stands for Bharat Champak Anu. It's my father's, mother's, and sister's name. So as Shubhashini is a long name, BCA is a long name, but it's how we portray it, how we put an impact to the people, right?
This is our roots, this is our upbringing, and this is how we've been
Exactly.
brought up.
Exactly. And coming to the next question, I am into academics. You have been teaching kids. So academics is relatable as I come from a language which teaches people. My parents are teachers. So I want to know the role of academics in a student's life, especially because we are in a much more creative and typically creative field. So what do you want to suggest to the kids in colleges who are pursuing design courses or accessory design courses or product design courses?
Anand, I don't know what academics are we discussing, because academics with people's perspective is 90, 100 में से 90 या 100 में से 100. Yeah. But my academics have been weak. I don't know how this interview is going to be. It's gonna spoil people, because I'm somebody who has had very low grades in subjects. I जिन सब्जेक्ट्स के जो फंडास क्लियर थे, देयर आई वाज हैविंग डिस्टिंक्शंस. जहां फंडा अटका, I was like in 30s and I had compartments. I had that odd variation of understanding each subject, where in one subject I had 90 marks, in the other subject I had a compartment, and that's how variation for me was in academics. Now, this whole idea of a kid being just sucking the knowledge over the book is not what I believe is academics. If that child is not competent, if that child is inferior, if that child is depressed, if that child is have fear to go out and stand, then that academics are good for nothing. We have to understand that आज भी हम लोग जो बच्चों के अंदर प्रेशर डालते हैं 100 में से 100 लाने का, 40 बच्चों में क्लास में से हर कोई 100 में 100 नहीं ला सकता. You know, एंड अब वो वाला बात हो गया कि पहले उस बच्चे पे प्रेशर होता था जिसके 100 में से 40 आते थे, और जिसके हर बार 90 आते थे उसको प्रेशर नहीं होता था, उसको पता था कि मैं तो निकल जाऊंगा. अब जिसके 100 में से 90 आते हैं उसको 100 में से 100 लाने का प्रेशर है, एंड जिसके 40 आते हैं उसको 60 लाने का प्रेशर है. सब में प्रेशर. So if we are giving pressure in academics for kids to just achieve some marks and not making them better human, not making their fundas understand by them, then we are somewhere failing as academics. For any child who wants to come in fashion industry and wants to have a basic education of where side to go, I have to think now to all possible colleges have degrees. हम लोगों के टाइम में तो डिग्री कोर्सेज नहीं होते थे, डिप्लोमाज ही हुआ करता था. So I did my political science honors, and simultaneously I did my jewelry manufacturing, designing, and creating. But now, because we also get degree in itself from the jewelry courses or any fashion designing courses, so I don't think so they have to do any other academics to achieve the degree. But I think reading books is really very important. Any kind of books which you like. Reading literature makes you a better human. Being aware makes you a better designer as well, because there are so many things once you're aware, you can imply that every day, whether it's academically aware or whether aware to the environment around you.
Very right. You know, I also want to add on here that only reading books are the best friend, as we have always listened. But books, only reading is not the right thing. You have to get those things into your life. And being an author, I can say that you know, just getting knowledge from here and there is not important. You have to get the right books, the right knowledge from the places you want. And passing exams, you can study and pass. I am also somebody who pass exam, and I am in the top 3 of my class. But that doesn't mean that I don't hold knowledge. That means I work for knowledge, and ultimately results will fall in place, I personally feel. And one thing that is very important for our audience to know about you, that I have always, you are like an elder brother to me. And not only that, you are an inspiration to me. I always talk to my family about you. I keep on talking to my family about you. And as I earlier said, my family is very excited that I am going to interview you. So thank you for coming again. And one thing I wanted to know, that you are somebody who is a very activist in LGBTQIA community for them. And now we have been the community who had, the temples have carvings of equality, gender equality and all. But over certain years, after post-colonialization and then independence, we lost that the respect for the people, unfortunately. But now people like you are there. So how did this journey start?
अनंत, अगर अपनी जिंदगी को खुल के जीने को एक्टिविज्म कहते हैं तो आई एम एन एक्टिविस्ट। अगर दूसरों को जीने देने के लिए लड़ाई करने को एक्टिविज्म कहते हैं तो आई एम एन एक्टिविस्ट। अदरवाइज मी एंड यू आर इक्वल ह्यूमंस, we are only thriving and striving to live and let live, and that is what the funda is. Now yes, colonization has a lot to blame जो LGBT community के साथ हो रहा है, invasion हुआ, you know. Okay, we can talk about the Kinner culture, we can talk about how well there was a space for Kinner identities in India. At least the Bharat had the identity to begin with, or you know, the Hindutva philosophy of life had a very large space for them. But now it's been 70 plus years for independence. Now we have a very so-called, or I should say absolutely, a very right-wing Hindu ideological power in the center. Do you think they are aware of that side of understanding of the Kinner culture? We still have a law minister who speaks in the parliament and says, we are not going to let any shadi wadi happen, don't worry. We still have in 2018 ka judgment where the government of India says that we will not support anything which is talking about equal rights, and we will stay silent on our opinion about the decriminalization. So even those people who claim to understand the fabric of India or Bharat, the understanding of Hindutva, if they don't want to understand and they want to deny the LGBTQ rights, because morality, which was left by Britishers, is still living on them. They're still not going back 100% with force or to say कि ठीक है, हमारी सभ्यता में हम इसको शुरू करेंगे. वहां पे भी अभी भी वही रूढ़िवाद मॉरलिटी जो ब्रिटिशर्स छोड़ के गए थे वही काम कर रही है, एंड वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर इट. वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर, चाहे वो कांग्रेस थी, वी हैव टू फाइट इट चाहे आज वो बीजेपी है, बिकॉज 70 साल या 80 साल में हम ब्रिटिश मॉरलिटी और ब्रिटिश क्रिश्चियन मॉरलिटी, बिकॉज उन्होंने अपनी बाइबल से सारे मॉरलिटीज को जज किया कि क्या कैसे होगा, हम कहीं ना कहीं अपने ही सभ्यता से जितनी मॉरलिटीज जो हमारी सभ्यता जीवन जीने की थी, उनको आज तक हम रिवाइव नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. There is so much to blame to what has happened. There is so much to blame to people who has done. But या तो हम blame करने में टाइम वेस्ट करें, हम काम करने में अपना टाइम लगाएं. And the only reason I talk about the LGBTQ identity is because I remember I never knew who I am. You know, Anand, I'm born in Delhi, Chandni Chowk, I told you. उस मोहल्ले में एक गली के स्कूल में मैंने अपनी शिक्षा करी. एक ऐसा स्कूल जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है, जहां बिजली नहीं होती थी, जहां एक दिन में सिर्फ एक बोतल पानी होता था, जहां कई बार क्योंकि बिजली चली गई है उन दिनों में कुछ एसी और इन्वर्टर्स नहीं हुआ करते थे, वी हैड टू सिट इन दरी एंड वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी. पर ये तो नहीं कि मैं उस जमाने में गे नहीं था. तो आप को लगता है कि ये अंग्रेजी सभ्यता से जुड़ी बात है, पर मुझे तो ये शब्द भी नहीं पता था और मैं तभी गे था, राइट? तो आज जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो आज एटलीस्ट हम पे मीडियम्स हैं जहां पे हम कह सकते हैं कि there's somebody like me, and if you're alone, don't think you're alone, you have me. हम लोगों के पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं था ना, एंड हम लोग घुटते थे और सोचते थे कि अरे यार क्या होगा हमारा. इसका सेकेंड ओपिनियन ये है कि ये नहीं कि सब कुछ बदल गया है, आज भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, आज भी गांव खेड़ों में लोगों को रौंदा जा रहा है. 4 दिन पहले एक कपल ने असम में, गे कपल ने सुसाइड करा, 22 साल और 21 साल के बच्चों ने, क्योंकि उनकी जो पूरी फैमिली थी उन्होंने उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. जब रोज आप हिंसा देखते हो सिर्फ इसी कारण कि आप क्या किस तरीके से पैदा हुए हो, आई फील लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. I feel like talking about and telling them that you're not alone. You know, आप इसमें अकेले नहीं हैं, and that's the only reason I talk about it.
Very true. Thank you. ये पूरा पर्सपेक्टिव समझाने के लिए. And you know, as you said कि either you blame या फिर आपको अपनी लड़ाई लड़नी पड़ेगी. तो महाभारत में बहुत क्लियरली कहा गया है, एक श्लोक कहता है चरण मार्गान विजानाति, मतलब the one who starts a journey in the end gets the destiny. और किन्नर सभ्यता या फिर जितनी भी सभ्यताएं रही है, स्पेशली किन्नर सभ्यता की बात अगर मैं करूँ, तो हम पूछते हैं, अगर आप आज भी चले जाएं तो आते हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि उनकी बातें लगती है वो साक्षात शिव और शक्ति के करीब हैं, और इतने करीब हैं कि उनकी बातें लग जाती है, उनकी दुआएं लगती है। और आज भी देखिए, जब बच्चों का जन्म होता है वो आते हैं, उनको हम खाना खिलाते हैं, उनको हम पूछते हैं, सम्मान देते हैं। तो अपनी सभ्यता को रिस्टोर करने में शर्म कैसी, बुराई
अनंत,
कैसी?
मैं कहूँ कि हमें ना आपका सम्मान चाहिए ना आपका पैसा चाहिए, हमें बस समानता चाहिए।
समानता,
दोगे?
बिल्कुल।
आपका साल में एक बार सम्मान देना दिवाली का और एक बार सम्मान देना बच्चे होने पे नहीं चाहिए। आप सिर्फ हमें समानता दो।
बिल्कुल।
दूसरी चीज, ये फाइट ऑफ LGBTQ आइडेंटिटी अनंत इज नॉट द फाइट फॉर ओनली किन्नर्स।
या
यू हैव टू बिलीव, ये भी एक मानसिकता है कि हर LGBTQ कम्युनिटी से जुड़ा हुआ बंदा हिजड़ा ही होगा, छक्का ही होगा, और उसको हम उसी चश्मे से जज करते हैं। और तभी हम अपने जवान बच्चों को घर से निकाल के बाहर खड़ा करते हैं, क्योंकि कहते हैं तुम्हारी तो घर में जगह ही नहीं है, तुम तो जाओ और वहां खड़े हो जाओ। तो ये जो चश्मा है कि हमें हर बच्चे को भी किन्नर देखना है, वो उसकी भी जरूरत नहीं है।
बिल्कुल।
हमें जो जो आपने कहा कि शिव का जो अर्धनारीश्वर का रूप है, जो शिव और शक्ति है, वो बिल्कुल सत्यार्थ है कि जब शिव कहते हैं कि मैं अपने अंदर की शक्ति में वो उजागर करूंगा अपने अंदर, यू नो, इट्स दो तरीके हैं देखने के, कि एक तो शक्ति का समावन करना अपने अंदर, और एक अपने अंदर की शक्ति की ऊर्जा को आपने उजागर किया, एंड दैट्स ब्यूटिफुल। आप में, मुझ में, हर किसी में यिन एंड यांग है, एनर्जीज ऑफ बोथ है।
वो
किसी में पुरुषार्थ ज्यादा है, किसी में स्त्री की भावनाएं ज्यादा है, बट दैट डजंट मेक एनीथिंग डिफरेंट। अगर हम ये सब समझ जाए तो हम सच में हिंदुत्व समझ रहे हैं, हम अपने भारत को समझ रहे हैं, हम चीजें समझ रहे हैं। और मैं आपको बताऊं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ यही एक तरीका है जो हमें फिर भी इस देश में जीने देता है, क्योंकि हमारे पास हमारे भगवानों की टेस्टिमनी है। नहीं तो कोई जगह नहीं थी, क्योंकि गीता में शिखंडी को लोग नहीं निकाल पाए,
नहीं
क्योंकि
निकल
रामायण में किन्नरों को नहीं निकाल पाए, क्योंकि मोहिनी रूप को आप नहीं भूल पाए। और तभी आपके देश में फिर भी LGBT की कम्युनिटी को स्पेस है, क्योंकि आपके रिलीजन में वो सब टेक्स्ट अवेलेबल है। पर अगर लोगों की हिम्मत हो और रूढ़िवादी सोच को हम जीने दे, तो वो कब का हमें धक्के मार के हमें दबा दे।
बिल्कुल। और अब मुझे याद आता है कि मैंने 3 हफ्ते पहले एक आपकी पोस्ट मैंने रीपोस्ट की थी फेसबुक पर, और उस पे कुछ रिस्पॉन्सेस आए थे, कुछ ऐसे लोगों के जो कि कभी खुल के मुझसे बोले नहीं, मेरे करीब रहे थे, तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया, और उसका रिस्पॉन्स ये था कि कहीं ना कहीं उनमें अवेयरनेस आई है, और शायद वो अब अपने लिए खड़े होने के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं। तो उसके लिए भी थैंक यू कहूंगा मैं। और आपके फैमिली की, मैं समझता हूँ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस रही है आपकी लाइफ में, तो आपकी फैमिली को मेरा प्रणाम है। एक सवाल तो मैंने आपको इनिशियली हमने बताया कि हमने साइबर बुलिंग पे थोड़ा फोकस किया, एम्फसाइज किया, बिकॉज आजकल जो बच्चे बन रहे हैं, द पीपल हु आर इन मेकिंग or who are at some stage, or who are self-made people, they face a lot of bullying. You must be facing them as well. I face it on a regular basis. I don't have a problem anyways now. But how do you, as an expert, as a celebrity personality, deal with these things?
uh, that there are multiple ways to tell you is this. First thing is this, कि अगर आप पब्लिक लाइफ में उतरे हो, दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द पैकेज। अगर आपको लोगों का प्यार चाहिए तो आपको लोगों की गाली भी मिलेगी। आपके ऊपर है आपको क्या चूज करना है। मेरी जिंदगी में फंडा है कि मुझे दोनों नील है। जब वो प्यार आ रहा हो तो उसकी भी समान, आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट। और कोई क्रिटिसिज्म दे रहा हो तो आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट, एंड ठीक है, बोल दिया। अक्सर हम क्रिटिसिज्म को घर कर लेते हैं, और वो जो प्यार और वो जो रिस्पेक्ट और वो जो इज्जत मिल रही होती है उसको हम छोटा कर देते हैं। तो अगर हम याद रखें कि हमको बुरा बोलने वालों में हमको अच्छे बोलने वाले भी हैं, ये हमारे ऊपर है कि हमें क्या चूज करना है। दिस इज हाउ आई लिव। दूसरी चीज, आई विल एसोसिएटेड दिस, जब मैंने अपनी पहचान एज अ गे, यू नो, हिजड़ा, छक्का, मामू, मीठा, व्हाट नॉट, अनंत पार्ट है जिंदगी का, रोज मिलता है सुनने को। मतलब कई लोग मुंह से बोलते हैं, कई लोग आंखों से बोलते हैं, कई लोग कोनी मार के बोल लेते हैं अपने दोस्तों में। और हमें हर हरकत से पता चलता है कि हमारे लिए क्या किया जा रहा है. तो दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. तो आप एक तो है सोशल बुली जो ऑनलाइन हो रही है, एक बुली तो रोज मिलती है, चाहे वो मेट्रो में हो, चाहे वो 5 स्टार होटल हो, चाहे घर के नीचे हो. सो इससे आप सिर्फ तब लड़ सकते हो जब आपको ये बिल्कुल पता हो कि आप कौन, जब आप अपनी पहचान के साथ खड़े हो, जब आप अपने में विश्वास करते हो कि जो आप कर रहे हो वो सही है. उसके बाद कोई कुछ भी कहता है ना, वो छोटा हो जाता है, वो न्यूनतम रह जाता है. और दूसरी बात आपको ये समझनी पड़ेगी कि ये समाज सबसे एक है. ये समाज जो आपकी बुराई कर रहा है, वही समाज अभी आप पीछे मुड़ोगे दूसरे की करेगा. किसी को रंग पे करेगा, किसी को वजन पे करेगा, किसी को जेंडर पे करेगा, किसी को लड़की नहीं हो रही, लड़का नहीं हो रहा, बच्चा नहीं हो रहा, शादी नहीं हो रही. वी लव टू डू दिस. ये हमारे को डीएनए में है, लोगों की जिंदगी को खलबल करना. जिस दिन आप ये समझ जाओगे ना कि ये फालतू लोगों का पास टाइम है, उस दिन आप इससे बाहर निकल जाओगे, इस सो कॉल्ड साइबर बुली के इफेक्ट से बाहर निकल जाओगे. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट वो बदल जाएगा, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि लोग बदल जाएंगे, पर कितनी देर कोई भौंकेगा जब उसको पता चलेगा कि दूसरा आदमी बहरा है, उसको समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा, वो भौंकना बंद कर देगा. आपको बहरा होना पड़ेगा वहां जहां बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये आनंद एक्सपीरियंस से आता है, आसानी से नहीं आता. टाइम्स थे मेरे भी जीवन में जब यंग में आई यूज्ड टू रिस्पॉन्ड एवरीबॉडी एंड यूज्ड टू स्पीक. नाउ आई डोंट. ये आपके ऊपर है, आपको अपनी जिंदगी 500 लोगों के बीच में जीनी है या 5 लाख या 5,000 लाख. सो नाउ इट इज अप टू यू कि आप कितने लोगों को महत्व दोगे और क्यों.
वेरी ट्रू. पता है ये सारी चीजें जो है, जैसे आपने कहा, एक्सपीरियंस से आती है. बीसीए फाउंडेशन को के इस शो में जितने लोग जुड़े हैं वो फॉर्चुनेट हैं कि आपके एक्सपीरियंस से वो सीखेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरा रोल डिफर करता है. मैं एक होस्ट के रूप में हूँ, एंड आई एम समबडी हु who feel that I am fortunate that through you people are learning all these things. Moving ahead, Akash ji, again coming back to a small question related to this segment we left few questions ago कि creativity जो होती है, तो क्या स्पेशल कुछ ऐसा भी होता है कि स्पेशल होता है तभी आप बन सकते हैं एकेडमिक्स में कुछ या फिर अपने क्रिएटिव फील्ड में कुछ?
स्पेशल तो हर कोई है. मतलब जिसको गाना गाना आता है वो अपने में स्पेशल है. जिसको
बिल्कुल.
यू नो एवरीबॉडी इज स्पेशल. तो क्रिएटिविटी का क्या सीमा है एंड कौन स्पेशल नहीं है, यू नो. तो जैसे आई एम एक्चुअली preparing a petition for disability to be transferred into diversity. क्योंकि जब हम किसी बच्चे को कहते हैं कि ये डिसेबल है, यू नो, तो हम कहीं ना कहीं उसको जज कर रहे हैं अपनी एबिलिटी पे. पर वो बच्चा अगर उसके पास हाथ नहीं है और पाँव से लिखना जानता है, तो आप डिसेबल हुए या वो बच्चा?
एग्जैक्टली.
राइट. सो हम डिसेबिलिटी और वो जो आपका सवाल है कि बच्चों को अपनी खूबियां जाननी पड़ेगी. एवरी चाइल्ड इज स्पेशल. Every child needs to know what he likes, what she likes, and what is my passion and what is my profession. There is a very fine code which says if your passion is your profession, you're lucky. It's okay if they are both not together, but can you balance it? नहीं है हर किसी के पास यार. हर किसी के पास वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है कि उसको अपने मनपसंद काम करने का मौका मिला हो. उसको मजबूरियों में कुछ और काम करने पड़ते हैं. तो वहां पे उसको रिग्रेट देने की जगह उसको बोलो कि ठीक है यार, ये तू कर रहा है बट ये भी तू कर ले. अपने लिए समय निकालना, अपनी खूबियों को जानना is very important. And everybody special is what they have to understand, and they have to just go within and see that what is different.
As some artist has beautifully said कि whatever you can imagine can be true, and आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप क्या हैं, and that is what how your journey and your success is what speaks for you. And probably small show like this, you have come to a small show like this, and somebody who speaks to many televisions, who is on magazines, on newspapers, and then here. So probably we also knew what we have, and we are thankful that you're here.
Thank you for saying that. ऐसी कोई आनंद, I don't know छोटा और बड़ा क्या होता है, मर्द और औरत क्या होता है, आज हिंदू और मुस्लिम, मतलब मुझे ये जो डिविजन है ना नहीं समझ में आते। तो जब
जब
समझ
आप
में नहीं
बांट
आते
देते
तो
हैं तो आप खुद भी बढ़ जाते हैं।
बस तो फिर सो एंड एवरी अपॉर्चुनिटी इज वर्थ टॉकिंग, यू नो। मेरा यहाँ पर आना सिर्फ स्वार्थ है कि मुझे एक और मौका मिल रहा है अपने मुद्दे को रखने का, अपनी बात को रखने का, एंड वो मेरा स्वार्थ है। वो बिल्कुल आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट स्पेस कि अगर मुझे अनंत ने बोला तो ही इज गिविंग अ स्पेस टू अ गे इंडिविजुअल हु नीड्स टू स्पीक, and this is my opportunity. I mutually respect every possible invitation because that is my responsibility as a representative of the community to meet most people through these virtual seminars.
Okay, and we are also planning to bring in more people from LGBTQIA community for a bigger panel discussion for our audience. So I'll again invite you, and probably you will be the one who will be moderating the show. I'll let you know the plan, and because I want to keep on listening to you, and want to direct my vision and the vision of audience, their parents, and get this thing right, fix the bug that has come to the civilization, unfortunately. Yeah. Now moving ahead, you are an entrepreneur, a true entrepreneur, not only an entrepreneur, a social entrepreneur, and so am I. And startups are not just startups are not very easy to do, but the dedication lets it happen. So what are the startup opportunities in accessory designing or product designing, and what should the people who don't have funds do if they wish to be their own bosses?
See, बहुत से बच्चे तो फंड्स की लिमिटेशन को एक कमी मान लेते हैं to move ahead, but that is not how you should restrict yourself. And I don't think so that every startup needs big budgets. Every startup needs committed individuals. How committed are you कि आप एक limited amount में एक speciality दोगे? इस देश में गली मोहल्लों में ज्वेलरी बन रही होती है, सड़कों पे पिरोई वाले बैठे होते हैं, संडे बाजार में निकल जाओ तो वो रुमाल खोल के नग बेच रहा होता है. So every, you know, so everywhere you can have accessories around you, and then you're saying that you cannot do anything because you don't have funds. I completely regret that. There are people who are selling jewelry of 100 kinds in this country. आप चांदी की नहीं बेच सकते, आप टेरिकॉटा बेचिए. आप टेरिकॉटा नहीं बेच सकते, आप जूट की बेचिए. आप बेचिए, आप अपनी बस उस पे छाप छोड़िए. आप बस खरीद के बेचना बंद करिए. खरीद के कुछ अपना डाल के बेचना ही शुरू कर लीजिए अगर पूरी प्रोडक्शन नहीं करनी है तो. That is, you know, I'm very practical. I'm not saying everybody to go and do production, but जो आप खरीद के एज अ चेन आप आगे बेच रहे हो और उसमें अपनी बस ब्रांड का एक क्रिएटिव डाल रहे हो, I don't think so that will take you ahead as a designer. That might give you money, but that will not make you an independent designer for long. आपको अपनी छाप देखनी पड़ेगी, और जब आप अपनी छाप एक मुद्दे एक चीज में डालते हैं ना, तो वो किसी और के पास नहीं होती. And then that new entrepreneurship goal will lead to a bigger capital, and there'll be bigger investors who will believe in what you're doing. And India has future now. India has future. Indian textile, Indian jewelry, everything to do with India has future. Much more now, even in export, than ever before. It's just that you have to understand what is you that you can do and what you can resource to. आप में बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. आप छोटी इन्वेस्टमेंट से काम करें. ऑनलाइन में आने के बाद तो आप पे अगर 5 फोटोज भी हैं ज्वेलरी की, आप वो भी बेचोगे तो भी आप कमा लोगे. आप बस वर्चुअली शुरू करो.
बहुत सही कहा आपने. आपको स्टार्ट तो करना होगा. Like we also have an accessory based research based brand, and a textile research based brand. Earlier we started with the production, but we shifted our direction towards research, more of research. So the sum up, if I sum up the research, that post COVID, the things we have been working on this, that post COVID, the opportunities for Indian textile and the growth of industry, fashion industry, after 1 to 2 years is going to boom, because we have companies who have started shifting their headquarters from other countries to India, especially India. And no doubts, if we see India again becoming Bharat, the great Bharatiya culture restoring again. Uh, so I will be happy, and you will be happy equally. I know that.
अनंत, वो भारत तो कल बना लो ना इंडिया को, पर सीरत में कब भारत बनोगे? मतलब नाम बदलने से कुछ नहीं बदलने वाला है, आपको उसका फैब्रिक चेंज करना पड़ेगा। एक बहुत जरूरत है, यू हैव टू स्टैंड प्राउडली विद योर ओन रूट्स। आपको अपनी जर्नी पे शर्मिंदगी नहीं होनी चाहिए। You have to understand that whatever is given to you, from there, wherever you reach is your journey, and stay proud about it.
बिल्कुल, और शायद ये आप और मैं जैसे लोग मिलकर कर सकते हैं। आप तो कर रहे हैं, मैं शायद इस लाइन में थोड़ा नया हूँ, बट नया होना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, रियलाइजेशन होना इम्पोर्टेंट है, और अपनी गलतियों से ही हम सीख सकते हैं। आपने जर्नी की बात की, so the next question I would put will be related to your journey. Can you sum up briefly your journey, because this journey has been an inspiration to many, but the new people who are listening to you must learn again from the journey.
I don't know how to and start from, but my journey has been, what should I say? I've been fortunate, first thing in my journey. I've been karmic in my journey, so karma pays well. I, कभी कुछ जीवन में कर्म अच्छे रखे तो जिंदगी अच्छी गुजरी. I believe in that, because really, the kind of fashion shows I have done, I'm not seeing it by myself, but I have testimonials of people crying while coming out of the shows. लोग रो पड़ते हैं. There are people who cry on my face and they say that they have touched after watching my show. अनंत, वो तो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है किसी के दिल को छुआ. वो कर्म और ऊपर की ब्लेसिंग है कि किसी को आपका मैसेज पहुंच जाता है. So that's what I'm saying, that my journey has been very much karmic. My journey has been बहुत एक आम दिल्ली 6 चांदनी चौक के घर मोहल्ले से निकला हुआ बच्चा, जिसको सच में, मुझे अगर मैं पीछे जाके, तुमने ये सवाल पूछा और मुझे कुछ लम्हे याद आ रहे हैं कि my father used to say कि बेटा तू बस 12वीं कर ले, बस 12वीं कर ले, तो I was that weak in education. मेरे पास मेरे कंपार्टमेंट्स आते थे स्कूल के अंदर. I was fat, I was feminine, I was bullied. बहुत कुछ हुआ, डिप्रेशन का शिकार रहा मैं अपने जीवन में, अब्यूज हुए, फिजिकल अब्यूज हुए. I was molested at the age of 16. And there have been 100 other things in my life. But now when I look back with a lot of gratitude. I look back every moment with gratitude and thanks to what happened. 21 साल की उम्र में मैंने अपने पिताजी को खोया, और आज तक I always say that was a part of my journey. I never regret anything which happened in my life, because I just feel like this is the part of the package and this is what God wants you to do. उनको मैं रोज मिस करता हूँ. It's not easy to live independently and to stand with your identity, and you need people to support you. But what he used to just say me is that be true to yourself. तुम अगर जो सत्य बोल सकते हो वही सत्य करो. जो तुम कर रहे हो अगर वो तुम बता नहीं सकते तो करना मत. And that has been my trivia to life. I was gay. I came out because I was very sure about I want to talk about it. And that's how I've done everything in my life, is because I believed that अगर ये बात सच है और ये बात करने में कोई शर्म नहीं है तो इस बात को छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं. My life has been very something, I don't know, बहुत ही खूबसूरत जर्नी है, blessed है, और but I am very realistic. and I know that I've been thankful to God, and I know कि ऊपर जाना है, but I also know कि मुझसे नीचे बहुत से लोग हैं. जितना आप जीवन में शुक्रगुजार रहेंगे आपके पास जो है, सच में आपको और शुक्रगुजार होने का मौका मिलेगा. And that's how I live it.
वेरी ट्रू. और पिछले साल जब मैं आपसे मिला था उसके बाद हमने एक फोटो छोटा सा फोटो शूट किया. देन आई वेंट ऑन टू रिसर्च अबाउट यू और फिर हमारी बात हुई. फिर हमने मैं आपसे आपको अक्सर परेशान करता हूँ जब मैं कोई नई चीज़ लेके आता हूँ तो आकाश जी प्लीज़ हैव अ लुक एट इट, प्लीज़ हैव अ लुक एट इट. क्योंकि और फिर हमारी बात अक्सर होती है हाउ आर यू, और हमारी रेगुलर भले बात ना हो लेकिन you know there is a bond that has been created that yes I'm learning from you. and एक छत्र छाया सी बनी है कि नहीं if
No, I'm also learning from you equally. ऐसे मत बोलो.
नहीं प्लीज यू नो एंड एक छत्र छाया सी genuinely create हुई है कि नहीं आकाश जी को I project as an elder brother and I can come to you all the time if I need to learn something new and this is what is important. अब एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन आता है इंटर्नशिप्स. तो बच्चों को इंटर्नशिप्स करने जाना हो तो किस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटीज है या क्या कर सकते हैं बच्चे? व्हाट डू यू से?
Internship, आज Anand, to be very frank, आजकल paid internship is in trend. And when I came to your college also I told you this that हमको तो कोई paid internships नहीं मिली थी.
नहीं मिली थी.
और और ये जो so called idea है, I'm not disrespecting that the child should not be paid, but experience नहीं मिलते. मतलब हम कहीं ना कहीं, I'm sorry, I will take you back to those times जब लोगों को कहा जाता था कि इस दुकान पर लगो और शुरुआत पानी देने से होगी. That is how people used to build their careers. वो दूसरों की दुकानों पर सिर्फ पानी देना शुरू करते थे. उनके पास सब कुछ नॉलेज होती थी पर वो नॉलेज प्रैक्टिकली फील्ड में नीचे से स्टार्ट करते थे. आजकल बच्चे इंस्टा के ऊपर मैसेज करते हैं that we are looking for job, can I intern with you? The whole space of communication of the hierarchy is absolutely gone. And I'm not being very like nosy, or I'm not something who believes in a lot of hierarchy, but there has to be formal way of applying at least for an internship. आजकल बच्चों को लगता है किसी को भी कभी भी रात को 2 बजे भी मैसेज डाला, कल सुबह देखेगा तो देख लेगा मुझे जॉब चाहिए. The whole process of internship has to be serious. You have to have a right portfolio. You also should be ready to choose what you want, a 10,000 rupees a month, which will be nothing, or you want an experience at a right brand with right people. And are you doing that internship at a so-called designer because he's famous? Or are you doing that internship because you like the work he's doing? Are you doing that internship because that kind of work is what you want to do in your future? Or because that designer is associated to some celebrities and that is why you're doing? Why and where you're applying that internship matters. What is your perspective of applying for that internship matters. So जितने आपकी खोखली expectations होगी उतनी खोखला result होगा. जितना आप सोच के समझ के internship के लिए apply करेंगे, तोलेंगे what is mattering to you, why, उतना ही better आपके पास result और उतनी अच्छी opportunities होगी.
As you said, even I have worked for companies. I have worked for free. Once I used to manage 5 foreign US-based companies, and I've done that job for free. And people have worked with BCA. We are a small organization. We have a number of organizations, but there have been people who have worked with us. They have learned small little things. They have been established in their own, but what do? They say that don't do because we don't have a great name. Don't just do internship with brands like mine or organizations like mine. So it's okay. The period will pass. But what we are meant to do is we are meant to serve the nation. I personally feel that I have dedicated this life for the sake of my people, my country, and that is what I'm doing. People will come and go. They'll keep on blaming. That's their perspective. Well, moving ahead with one random question that comes to my mind. COVID is the save on every day. Every morning when we wake up, turn on the internet, this much number of cases, this business shattering. What has it? How has it affected to your, you know, work?
A lot in very different ways. अभी तो आजकल ये हो रहा है कि एवरीडे आई लाइक ओके आज तबीयत कैसी है, आज तबीयत कैसी है. अभी हो गए पता नहीं कितने महीने हो गए हैं घरों में बैठे बैठे. बट यू नो टू टेल यू आई टेल यू एन एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट फर्स्ट 21 डेज. हाँ, जब जब सब कुछ को ये लग रहा था कि बस वी आर अबाउट टू पैक अप, हाँ हो गया है अभी सब जा रहे हैं, द काइंड ऑफ पैनिक इट हैड. You know, first thing which came in my mind was this, that even if I'm going, I can face my God. मैं ऊपर वाले को अपनी शक्ल दिखा सकता हूँ, मैं कुछ करके जा रहा हूँ. And when that thought came to my mind, I felt so powerful. I felt amazing about myself. I said, oh wow, what a thought, you know. And since that thought, in past 3 months, I have been just talking about LGBTQ rights. मुझे सच्ची में हिम्मत नहीं हुई कि मैं किसी को बोलूं कि जी मैं ये ज्वेलरी बना रहा हूँ, ये खरीद लो. मतलब जहां लोगों के पास रोटी नहीं थी, जहां लोगों के पास डिप्रेशन हुआ हुआ है, जहां लोग सुसाइड कर रहे हैं, वहां मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर तो हूं, बट आई हैव टू आल्सो होल्ड माय सेल्फ एंड से am I doing some basic moral responsible job, or am I going to be just a shoot designer who will say अच्छा आज मास्क के ऊपर मैंने गोटा भी लगा दिया और मुझे वो बेचना है. I cannot do that, you know. So I was able to get very constructively out of this situation. COVID has been a very life changing experience, learning experience. Also, it has not affected me much in the way that I live a very simple life. I live with, I have very limited people in my life. So, मुझे कुछ भी miss नहीं कर रहा है. I'm not missing anything, except the fact that I just want everybody to be healthy. The only thing which was traumatizing me was जब लोग भूखे जा रहे थे घरों से बाहर. That's it. Otherwise, COVID has been just an experience.
True. You know, just adding on my experience a little bit, that this happened that 13th of March. I got a message that university is shutting down, so we got to pack up, and fortunately I got 2 seats. My sister booked them for me. I had my friend coming with me, so I thought कि यार अब क्या, because I had set up my work in my workspace room and all. I had my studio for the first channel. Now what? So I thought, let's do it. कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. I was coming back on 14th. I was on train, and something clicked. You know, बस आ गया. And from there we shifted BCA Foundation completely online. Till 13th of March or 14th in the morning, we were an organization 30% paperless. Today we are an organization 93% paperless. And as you said कि depression था, ये सब चीजें थी, तो we also saw this, and that is why probably industry talks came up. और इसका जन्म ही इसीलिए हुआ शायद कि अब मौका है कि हम उन लोगों को लाएं जो कि या तो बन रहे हैं या अपनी मेहनत से बने हैं, और genuine log aate hain show mein, and I'm very privileged that you are also here. And with that also I come to the last question. I don't love the endings of this show, my audience knows this, but you know, हर एक अंत में मैं हर बार कहता हूँ, हर एक अंत अपने साथ एक नए आरंभ या आगाज का नाम लिखकर आता है और एक बेहतर आगाज का लाता है. तो last question to you is, how does it feel to be here again on Industry Talks, and what are your views about Industry Talks with PC Anant?
I'm absolutely privileged and thankful for coming here and speaking. And, you know, that's been like an opportunity not to miss. Also, you know, industry talks is like, okay, you know, we are, you know, these are things which say, okay, you're part of industry. I still feel myself a young who's just trying here and there. And I was like, okay, am I going as an industry expert? And it's like, okay, serious business to do. But, you know, industry is not for people who have achieved. Industry is for people who want to achieve. And that is what I loved about your platform, that you're not getting them by judging them unhone kya achieve kara hai aur kitna kara hai. You're getting them because you believe in what you have done, they have done so far. And that's what I congratulate you for. You know, that this industry is now about people future and next generations, not those who have achieved. It's about young Indians who are yet to achieve. And I congratulate you to bring up platform like that.
Thank you, thank you. You know, I dedicate these words to my BCA family, to my family, because without all this, what am I? I'm just a common man. I always say I'm a common man with some thing to do, because Lord has given me this life as human being, and I have to make it for the people. You know, people, nation before self. That is my motto in life, and I thank you for inspiring me to improve my life, my mentality, my vision towards the society, towards humanity, in a much gigantic way. And I thank you for coming to the show. And Agashji, that was it
So kind.
from our yeah. uh, we will call it a close, but before that I would request all my audience to stay connected to Akash ji, and learn from the things he has said. If you have uh, you know some doubts in life, you can always connect to Akash ji. The links of his social channels are here on the screen. My channels are here on the screen. You can always connect to us. You can always be happy in what you are doing. Stay healthy, stay safe. There's always something good coming for you. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and yes, take care of yourselves, your family. Don't forget